Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the date format in Microsoft Planner. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to planner.cloud.microsoft. Once the page loads, log in using your Microsoft account credentials to access your Planner dashboard. After you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a gear icon there which represents the settings menu. Go ahead and click on it to open up your account settings and preferences. Once the settings menu opens, look for a section labeled Language and Time Zone. This is where you can customize how dates, times, and regional information appear throughout your Planner interface. Under this section, you'll find an option that says Change Your Language. Click on it to proceed to the Language and Regional Settings page. Now you'll be taken to a new page where you can adjust various regional preferences. Look for the section labeled Region. Within this section, you'll see an option called Regional Format. Click on Regional Format to access the specific settings that control how dates are displayed in your account. Once you're in the Regional Format settings, you'll notice a field specifically labeled Date Format. This is exactly what you need to modify to change how dates appear in Microsoft Planner. Click on the drop-down menu next to Date Format, and you'll see a list of different date format options available to choose from. Browse through the available options and select the date format that works best for you. Whether you prefer month/day/year, day.month.year, or any other format, simply click on your preferred option. The great thing about this setting is that it will automatically save your selection as soon as you choose it, so there's no need to click a separate save button or confirm your choice. And that's it, you've successfully changed the date format in Microsoft Planner. From now on, all dates throughout your Planner interface will display in the format you just selected. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.